Ito na naman po tayo. Isa na namang parokyano. Ito golden chance siya. Pero saglit lang daw siya nag-drive sa country nila. Taga India siya. So hindi siya ganun kagaling talaga mag-control. So nakikita nyo nga kung paano siya mag-ikot ng steering niya. Parang gigil na gigil. So ang pinagawa ko muna sa kanya puro right turn, control ng steering, control ng brake, control ng accelerator. Kasi talagang para siyang beginner
Line change?
No, why? Stay in the same line. Okay, turn right. Ito makikita dito, yung sa pag turn right niya, medyo nagsishake yung kanyang pag straight ng sasakyan. Kasi nga medyo nanggigigil pa siya dun sa steering niya, saka pati yung mukha niya parang gigil na gigil din eh. Tingnan mo. Okay. Okay, turn right. It's better I put camera, you control lang yan sa dami ng ini-English nababarok na ako eh. Yan, tignan nyo dyan guys yung yung medyo natatawa ako sa kanya dyan eh. Kasi merong stop sign pero parang ayaw niyang mag-stop, tuloy-tuloy siya. Yan may stop sign. Tapos hindi pa siya nag-signal dyan.
No.
But you need to check.
Kaya sabi ko mag-signal siya dyan eh.
Don't forget the signal.
Okay.
Signal. Signal right. Okay, go in your line. In your line.
Okay, dito naman meron ako ipapagawa sa kanya, mag-emergency stop. Kaya tingnan nyo, magugulat siya dito. Emergency stop. Put the hazard.
First this one, huh?
No, put the parking. Parking. This one. First. I see you forgot.
Again.
If you stop, what you will put?
Hmm?
If you stop, what you will put?
First this one.
Okay, after. Then, what is the first?
First this one.
I told you, don't press it,
After
right?
this one.
Yeah.
After move.
You just stop, no? You don't check the mirror. Okay?
Yeah.
You don't put the hazard before you stop.
Yeah.
You don't check the side because you see you are too far. See? Oh, you're very far. Next time, if the police, for example, the police will tell you to stop. Look first this. Always you look
Yeah.
this first. And
After
then
this one.
if you are in the same line.
Ah.
But if you are in the second line or in the third line, you need to put right signal
Right
first.
signal.
And then next is the hazard before you stop. But before you stop, you need to check the side if you are allowed to stop. And also check the distance before you stop. Because this, you can fail if you are too far. So at least you have 1 foot distance. Okay? Yalla. Okay?
Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.